The Sony HDR-CX405 Camcorder offers an impressive combination of full high-definition video and 9.2 megapixel stills, thanks to its advanced Exmor R CMOS sensor and Bionz X processor. With a 30 times optical zoom lens from Zeiss, you can capture distant subjects with remarkable clarity, while the optical SteadyShot image stabilization ensures smooth footage. The camcorder supports multiple recording formats, including XAVC S, AVCHD, and MP4, allowing versatile video capturing options. A 2.7-inch flip-out LCD view screen provides a clear and convenient way to frame your shots and review footage. The intelligent auto feature, capable of 60 different scene combinations, along with face detection and voice enhancement, makes shooting high-quality videos effortless. Despite lacking an external microphone input, the built-in USB cable facilitates easy file transfer and charging, making it a user-friendly device.